With the website email search, finding contacts during the course of regular web activity has never been easier. All you need to do is download the Skrapp extension to your Chrome browser and sign in to your Skrapp account. Then, every time you are navigating the web and land on a company website that you want to generate leads from, simply click on the Skrapp extension icon in the toolbar and instantly get a preview of professionals associated with that website domain. You can browse through their full names, job titles, locations, and of course their professional email addresses. Click on View Results in Web Application to load a complete list of those contacts in your dashboard. From there, you can refine your results further by location or job title. In our case, we want to find leads working in the Austin, Texas area. My new search loads up immediately, and I can go ahead and save these contacts to one of my Skrapp lists. Go ahead, give it a try, and boost your outreach pipeline today.